Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to discuss mathematics number 2, logarithms. Solve for x, given that I have the logarithm to base 2 of 9 plus the logarithm to base 2 of 5x minus 4 equals to 7. Remember to subscribe to this channel and to also share the link with friends. We're going to apply a few laws of logarithms. For example, at the side where we have a constant here, we're going to introduce logarithms. This is how we're going to do it. We shall apply the law of logarithms, which says that the log of a number to the same base is equivalent to 1. The base which has been used in this question is base 2. So we're going to introduce the log of 2 to base 2, whose value is 1 at the point where we have 7, so that the value of 7 remains unaffected. This means we shall have the logarithm of 9 to base 2 plus the logarithm to base 2 again, 5x minus 4. This is equivalent to 7, the logarithm to base 2 of 2. Now the value of all this is 1. So 7 is not affected because log 2 to base 2 is just 1. At this point, allow me apply the law of logs again, which says that when you have n, then the logarithm of a certain number, this is the same as the log of the same number raised to power n. Therefore, the n here now becomes power at this point. So it means we can solve the log to base 2 of 9. 9 becomes raised to power half. So the log to base 2 of 9 power half plus the log to base 2 5x minus 4. This is equivalent to the log of base 2 7. Okay, 2 power 7, sorry. To power 7. So we can check the values. The logarithm to base 2. 3 power, okay, 9 power half means 9 the square root, then we raise to power 1. So the square root of 9 is 3 plus logarithm to base 2, 5x minus 4. This is equivalent to the log base 2 to power 7, which gives us 128. 128. Now we can apply another law so that we may wind up of logarithms, which says that when we have the log of a plus the log of b, as long as they are to the same base, then we can solve this by taking the log a multiplied by b. That means that is what we shall apply on the right hand side. So we shall have the log to base 2 of 3 multiplied by 5x minus 4. This is equal to the log to base 2 of 128. So now we can drop logarithms and equate the right hand side to the left hand side, whereby we shall have 15x, that is after opening brackets here, minus 12 being equal to 128. So to remain with the 15x, we have to take negative 12 to the other side, whereby it gets added. This becomes 140. Yes. So now we can remain with x by dividing through by 15. Then this becomes 9 and a third. So that is the value of x. Thank you for following. Subscribe and share.